hopefully that's good.
Alright. Imagine being locked in a room for 60 minutes and only having a 33% chance of escaping. The escape room is a fun activity to do with friends, and it involves solving puzzles to escape the room. Today we're going to talk about how the escape room was very challenging, competitive, and taught us a lot about teamwork. Now Mitchell is going to explain the challenges that we had to overcome in the escape room.
Alright, so the first thing about the escape room is the first reaction we had. It almost seemed overwhelming at first. You can't see from this angle very well, but there was random objects scattered all around the room. Walking in, there are many different types of puzzles to do all around the room, and only a short amount of time to do them. Our theme was sports, and resulted in many of our puzzles being sports related. That made it a little bit difficult for us because we're not the best with sports, but it was really fun to attempt anyways. One of the puzzles we really enjoyed attempting involved a tape recorder. The tape recorder spoke words of the military alphabet and turned out to be a hint. The code read, "You must lay in bed." And this code led us to finding a piece of a flashlight underneath the bed. And here's a clip of us using the tape recorder.
Alright, now that Mitchell has talked about the challenging aspects of the escape room, Travis is going to talk about how it was very competitive and that fueled us to have more fun.
So one of the most fun things about the escape room was the competitive nature. A few things that really added to the competitiveness that would add to the fun was the 60-minute time limit. The fact that only 33% of the groups were able to escape the room in time, and that there's a first place time that you're trying to beat. Now our group didn't do very well because we weren't able to escape within the hour, but it didn't lessen the fun at all.
Now that Travis has talked about how the competitive nature of the escape room allowed us to have more fun, Zach is going to talk about how we came together and used teamwork.
The escape room was a fun activity that involved intense teamwork and thinking. The escape room was an activity we did where you are trapped in a room about the size of a bedroom and you need to find hidden clues in order to escape. And doing the escape room is like being a detective. You needed to decipher and find detailed clues in a timely manner in order to succeed. We were given 60 minutes to escape, so we had to work together and be fast. The escape room made teamwork and communication inevitable, along with forming a closer bond with one another. I thought the escape room was a fun activity that really involved teamwork and a detective-like mindset.
So to review, we talked about how the escape room was very challenging by solving puzzles that used critical thinking, and it was also very competitive because we were under pressure by the time limit. And finally, Zach talks about how we use teamwork to become closer and have a more connected bond. So now you have to decide for yourself if you're going to choose the escape room as your next adventure to overcome with you and your friends. Are there any questions? Thank you.
Nice.